Bronx, are you ready for cold and cough season? Here's how you can stay protected. Boost your immunity with vitamin C and vitamin D, zinc, and probiotics to keep your defenses strong. Stay hydrated. Warm fluids and water help thin mucus and soothe sore throats. Try natural remedies like honey, ginger, and herbal teas to calm coughs naturally and support recovery. And don't forget rest. Quality sleep gives your immune system the power it needs. At Carewell Rx, we've got your back with trusted supplements, OTC solutions, and expert advice so you can stay ready and recover faster. Stock up, stay prepared, and take control of your health this season. Visit Carewell Rx in the Bronx today or sign up online for easy access to cold and cough essentials.